Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pineapple beer at home. First, select a ripe pineapple, about 2 pounds, and wash it well. You'll also need 4 cups of filtered water and half a cup of granulated sugar. Make sure all your equipment, like a large glass jar, is sterilized to prevent contamination. This simple recipe uses natural fermentation to create a refreshing, fizzy drink. Now let's get mixing. Place all your washed and chopped pineapple pieces into the large glass jar. Pour in the 4 cups of water and add the half cup of sugar. Stir everything thoroughly until you can no longer see any sugar granules at the bottom. This creates the base for our fermentation. Finally, cover the jar with a clean cloth, securing it tightly with a rubber band. Place your covered jar in a warm spot, away from direct sunlight, and let it ferment for 2 to 3 days. You'll notice small bubbles appearing on the surface, which means the yeast is working its magic. After fermentation, strain the liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, separating the beer from the pineapple solids. Now, carefully pour your homemade pineapple beer into clean, sealable bottles. To achieve that perfect fizz, refrigerate your bottled pineapple beer for at least 24 hours. This chilling period helps with carbonation and enhances the flavor. When you're ready to enjoy, serve it cold, perhaps over ice, for a truly refreshing experience. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.